How can you tell if the problem is a bad thermostat or a wiring issue when an HVAC system is not responding? Start by confirming the system response basics. Set the thermostat to a definite mode like cool or heat, and set the temperature well beyond room temperature, so the system should definitely turn on. If there is no response, remove the thermostat from its base and temporarily bypass it by connecting the proper call for heat or call for cool terminals at the base or control board, so the equipment receives a direct command. Use a multimeter to measure the control voltage at the thermostat terminals and at the furnace or air handler control board. You want to see the expected low voltage, usually around 24 volts, and check for continuity on the call wires. If voltage is present at the control board but absent at the thermostat base, that points to wiring damage or a loose connection in the wall or junction. And if voltage is lost when the thermostat is reinstalled, that implicates the thermostat. Try swapping the function wires in the terminal block to isolate whether a specific terminal or wire is faulty, and carefully inspect the thermostat base for corrosion, bent pins, or a poor snap fit that can cause intermittent signals. Always turn off main power before manipulating wires, and document original terminal positions with a photo or note so you can restore them correctly. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is dead when a bad connection at the base is to blame, so check and clean the base contacts and retest after firm reseating. Another frequent error is not measuring voltage at both ends, which misses a broken wire along the run, so measure at the thermostat and at the control board and continue diagnosing along the path. People also forget to account for intermittent faults caused by vibration or temperature cycling, where connections work sometimes and fail other times. So wiggle the wires gently and cycle the thermostat while monitoring the meter to reveal flaky connections. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors, and for contractors to find work related to these kinds of repairs. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange troubleshooting tips and post before and after photos.